Sa loob ng ilang season, dinala ng Aurora Gaming Philippines ang label na kahit sinong Philippine powerhouse team ay hindi gustong marinig. Yan ang masabihang inconsistent o chokers. Dominante sila sa ating regular season, kinakatakutan sa mga scrims at nire-respeto sa kanilang talent, pero every time na kinakailangan magpakitang gilas ng Rora, laging kinakapos. Pero bago yan, mag-subscribe muna kayo sa aming channel at i-click na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga latest MLBB news. Nagsimula ang journey ng Rora with a promising approach. Kinulat nila ang liga noong mag-debut sila noong MPL Philippines Season 14 with a champion caliber lineup. Nakikipagbakan sila from play-ins to grand finals. Rora clawed their way through Giants, only to fall one game short of glory. Noong grand finals kasi mga sir noong season 14, isang game na lang ang kinakailangan nila at tatapusin na lang sana ang laban. Ngunit sa tindi ng depensa ng Prime Onyx, na-comeback ang laban at naging 4-3 silver finish heartbreak. Ang run sana na iyon ay ang magdidikta ng composure ng buong organisasyon. Then came M6, ang pinakamalaking chance ng Rora para may pakita na naisahan lang sila ng Onyx at babawi sa international stage. Unang sabak, bagsak agad sa kamay ng Falcons Esports at nagsunod-sunod na nga ang talo hanggang makatapat nila ang champion noon na TLID sa score na 2-0. At tuluyan na ngang natapos ang M6 run ng Aurora Gaming PH sa mga panahong iyon. Maraming kumestyon, unang-una sa draft, sa late game hesitations, at syempre sa missed game closes. Season 15 tumaas ulit ang expectations. Maraming fans ang umaasang ito na raw ang redemption season ng Aurora. Top 2 noong regular season, beating giant teams along their way, ngunit again came up short against Team Falcons PH in a 3-0 heartbreaking loss. Nagtapos ang run ng Rora sa 4th place na bumigo sa maraming fans. Season 16 was supposed to be the answer. Dinominate ng Rora ang regular season. Sinagasahan lahat ng teams on their way to the finals. And once again mga sir, they collapsed when it mattered the most. Another runner-up finish in a 4-0 clean sweep against Team Liquid Philippines. Pero ngayon, expected na ng mga tao na magcho-choke sila sa finals. Dumating din ang Games of the Future 2025 kung saan hinarang na naman sila ng Onyx, pero Indonesia naman to in a heartbreaking 2-0 sweep para sa semifinals. Buo na ang narrative para sa kanila. Magaling, pero hindi pang international. Malakas sa regular season, pero kinakapos sa importanteng matches. Aurora always breaks under pressure. Dumating ang pinaka-last moment ng Aurora Philippines, ang M7. Hindi sila ang tournament favorites. Lahat ng pagkatalo nila from the past was stacked against them. MPL heartbreaks, international failures, a reputation they never asked for. One more stumble, and history would remember them as what could have been. Knockout stage, iba ang aura ng Aurora. Rora didn't look rushed, didn't overforced, and didn't play scared. Sinalo nila lahat ng atake, nag-adapt sa mga drafts, and pinanalo ang mga laban nila with patience that they never had before. Every series felt different, hindi flashy, pero may controlled confidence. By the time Rora reached grand finals, Aurora weren't chasing redemption anymore. They were ready. At dumating ang moment that rewrote everything. Kalaban ng alter ego, Indonesia's pride, slayer of TLPH and SRG. Then 4 games later, nagulat ang lahat. 4-0 clean sweep. No doubts, no excuses, no debate. Aurora PH stood on the world stage not as a chokers, not as underdogs, but as world champions. Ang M7 run ng Rora ay hindi lamang championship run. Ito ay redemption, closure, at healing sa kanilang mga past appearances. Aurora Gaming didn't run from their past. They beat it. At dahil nga sa pag-rewrite nila ng kanilang legacy, they prove one thing to the world. You are not defined by how many times you fail, but by the moment you finally stand tall. Ilang beses na silang nadapa, pero sa M7, they rose forever. Kaya kung gusto mo ng news, contents, and tournaments, follow Just ML. Kasi basta ML, Just ML!